सो गाइस वेलकम बैक अगेन इन MUO सिग्मा क्लासेस एंड आज के इस लेक्चर में हम बात करने वाले हैं कंट्री कोड पिकर के बारे में. सो विल डिस्कस ऑन how we can implement the country code picker. All right, so I'll make a UI here. So basically I'll make a a country code field here. So basically when you will click on this field, basically here it will exist here. So when you will click here on this button, or you can say the text of country code, so you'll get a you will get a model. So in that model you will basically get the country code list, so you can select from there and you can basically fetch that country code on this UI. All right, so we'll do that. So we'll do this in this tutorial. And before watching this video मैं आपको बता दूं, so हम कैब बुकिंग एप्लीकेशन पे काम कर रहे हैं जो कि राइडर पार्ट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन है. And we are working on it, and this is the playlist, and this is I think 7 or 8th video. So this is the 8th video of this series. आपने अभी तक चेक नहीं किया है सीरीज इस प्लेलिस्ट के वीडियोस को, सो गो एंड चेक आउट दोज वीडियोस बिकॉज दोज आर आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू गाइज. एंड प्लीज़ जाके देखो, एंड in the description you can check that playlist link. So before going in deep in this tutorial, please do like, share and subscribe this channel now. All right, so here we have implemented in the last video we have implemented this. All right, so we have this text input field, right? So now we are going to make a view here called, or we can say what, we have this view. All right, so we are going to make here the view like this, and here we have the style, and let's say the background color is red here as of now, and we have this text. Perfect. And now we'll have this dot say dot country code, and this country code should be there inside this state like this. So in default I'm making here 91. Perfect. So you can see here we have this view. All right, so we have to make it here, just here. Okay, so this is the, now this is the view and text input, and then we have another view. Okay, so we have to wrap into a different view. So let me just go here, like this, and then we'll have like this flex direction row. Perfect. Okay, and then we have this view part. So just make it like this. Perfect. And then we have to provide the width called 80%. Now it's fine. And also we have to provide called aligning items is in the center. That is fine. It's not working. Okay, we have to provide self align also. Align self center. Perfect. And now this is, you can see here guys, this is not perfect looking, so just provide the padding 10, padding horizontal 10. Okay, and other than you can provide here 20 as of now. Perfect. And here we have the style, so same thing we can provide here also. I think we can provide the width, or let's say 60%. Or you can provide 80%, I think. Yes, perfect, fine here. So in this view we can remove this background color as of now, and justify content is in the center, and align items is in the center. Perfect. Okay, so we have to provide the background color also, because we have this background color we are using here. So just provide the background color also. Perfect. So now you can see, guys, here we have this the country code selection. We have this, and then we have this, you know. All right, you can see here we have formatted this, right? So when we are writing the characters, you can see this is replacing to the blank space, not the blank space, it is just removing. All right, so we have this, we have to make it touchable opacity, so that we can basically, we have to make it touchable opacity like this. All right, so if you click like this, you can see here this is touchable opacity view. And now we have to call a call this, we have to use on press, so that you can click, and then we have to operate some logic here. So this dot set state, and now we have to open the model so that we can select the country code. So अभी के लिए क्या करते हैं, we have to make a state here. So let's say country code, let's say not country code, picker. So let's say country code picker, I'm making it true here. So by default we have to make it false. Okay, like this, false. Perfect, fine here. And let me provide some styling to the text. Font size 18, so that we can see here. Perfect, fine here. Now we have to make a component. So where is the component section? This is the component. So in this we are making a component called let's say country code country picker, let's say .js function component. All right, okay, we have to import something from React Native. All right, so this will be the view, and then view. So we have to import view and then text. Correct. So let's say, so we have to use model also, like this, and model like this, and here we have the style. Let's say not we are providing the any style here, it's called visible. This is the property, and we'll get the props. So under this props you will get is visible, something like this. All right, and we can make a view as of now. I'm making here view, and then we'll make a text here. This is just for example, I'm taking here model open, something like this. All right, so this is, now we have the country code, the country picker component. So we have to import this component. So let's say import country picker from, we have to navigate to the component. Under in this we have this country picker. Perfect. And we have to use this component जहाँ पर भी आपको यूज़ करना हो. So let's say this is the component, and is visible, this is the prop, this dot state dot we have what was that state, this is the country code picker. So guys आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर, so जैसे भी आप क्लिक करोगे ना वो 91 पे कंट्री कोड पे सेलेक्ट करोगे, जब आप बेसिकली क्लिक करोगे so आप क्या कर रहे हो, यू आर मेकिंग दिस स्टेट ट्रू कंट्री कोड पिकर. सो जब भी आप इसे ट्रू करते हो देन वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड दिस वैल्यू इन दिस प्रॉप सो दैट इसके अंदर कंट्री पिकर के अंदर ये जो मॉडल है ये ओपन हो जाए. बिकॉज इस अगर हम विजुअल के अंदर ट्रू का पास करते हैं so मॉडल ओपन होता है, राइट. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन ऑल्सो वी आर जस्ट पासिंग इज विजुअल prop from that component to this component. All right, so let me just check once again from here. So when you are going to click on this button, you know, country code, you can see this. So जैसे आप उस पर क्लिक करते हो you can see this model, you can see this text also on the top. So this is the style. Now we'll have the flex one, and if I'll provide the justify content is in the center. So and aligning item center अगर मैं देता हूँ यहाँ पर, so that you can see here, you can see this model open text in the center of the screen. So as of now I'm just providing flex one only here, and I'm going to use the flat list also. So flat list, this is a flat list. All right, I'm importing this component, and then we have this flat list. Okay, all right, so we have the data. So we have to provide the data also. So as of now we have no any data, we have no data, right? So we have to keep the data. So this is another project, you will see this tutorial. आपको भी ये tutorials मिल जाएंगे, बहुत जल्दी मिल जाएंगे, ये बस progress में चल रहा है. Okay, so we have we have the data inside in this common, we have the data under in this common country code.js. Just copy this, and under in this common we are making another file called country code.js, and now just paste this. All right, so we have the country code, सारे country के codes हमारे पास यहाँ पर आ गए, and just we need to just import the just अब हम यहाँ पर यूज़ करेंगे country code from, just navigate to the common and then country code, that's it. Perfect. We have to provide the country code as a prop here, we have to provide here like this, or we can provide we can say data here. All right, perfect. So here we have this country picker, and under this prop you will see the data. So I'm just providing here props dot data. Perfect, fine here. And we have to provide render item, and let me make a function, another separate function. So let me make it let's say const render item view, let's say this one. Perfect, it will return a view. So let's say we have the view, all right, and this view we have a style flex one, so that it will सारी एरिया को कवर कर लेगा ये स्क्रीन की. And then we'll have this called text, and under in this, because we are passing here the data, right? So data, or we can say the item. So let's say item dot value, or we can say name. बिकॉज आप यहाँ पर देखोगे कंट्री कोड में आपको यहाँ पर वैल्यू लेबल मिलता है, तो लेबल पास करना है हमको वहाँ पर, सॉरी वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड द लेबल हियर। जस्ट कॉपी कर लेते हैं, बेटर रहेगा। कॉपी द लेबल, just pass like this, item not label. So what is the issue now? Non-empty expression. So we have to provide like this. Oh sorry, just copy this name, paste like this. Okay, so now opening again, and nothing is happening again. Nothing is happening. Everything is here fine, but still we have something issues running. But so that we can check, so let me just check here. So let me just go to the login, check. Okay, so we have this country code, this is exported not default, so we have to, okay, so this is the problem. I think we have to provide like this import. Okay, perfect, fine. So that, okay, perfect, fine. Now I think this will work. Yes, this is working fine. Okay, perfect. So let me just provide the item dot label here like this, and then provide, okay. Okay, so this is, you can see guys, here we have all the country code we have like this. So let me make some styling here. So so let's say we have let's say padding left, sorry, padding left, let's say 10, and here it is fine, so make it 20, something like this. Yes, not fine, but yes, it's okay. We have to provide the style, and let's say font size, let's say 18. You can see the differences, and let's say padding vertically, let's say 10. Okay, okay, perfect, fine. And then we have to provide some margin from the top, let's say 50. As of now we're just providing this only. Okay, so we have to provide some little vertical, let's say 5. No, we have to refresh the app once again. Refresh the app like this, and let's say make it, it's 5 and 4, some good, I'm good. Okay, so we are providing the margin top, right? For each and for each view we are providing the margin top 50. No, not for this, this is completely wrong. We have to provide something different thing here. Okay, so let me make it from here. So margin top, let's say 50. Completely fine now. Get it started. Now you can see guys, here we have this country code, right? So I'll provide some margin from the left, also will provide some gaps also. So for this, just I'm making 60 here for a little more gap from the top, and here we have this view, right? So I'll provide the padding left, so I'll provide some 50, and margin top, let's say provide 10, providing 10 here, right? Checking again, it's completely fine now, it's completely fine for me. Okay, so this is what the problem, I think. You can see these taxes, right? So we have to provide a property called flex grow or flex wrap, something wrap here. All right, check again. Okay, what is the problem under this? Flex grow wrap. बताओ उसको यार, ऐसे चेक करने दो। Now you can see guys, here we have this model, right? Perfect, fine. Here these are country codes we have. Still one problem is we have. So the problem is selection, right? So we'll make a tick here. So I'll pick the image, tick image. All right, I'll use here, and if I'll click here, then tick will be come here, right? And if I'll click on another country code, so tick will remove from here and will click here, right? So I'll fix this in the next video. So thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.